Hey everybody, today we're going to talk a little bit about the old Newton lawnmower. And I hit the internet to find a new blade, and lo and behold, they are still available from the original manufacturer. But I first went to eBay, and thankfully I didn't buy one. But look at my old original blade. It's even been welded here when it started to crack. I welded it a couple times. I've tried to keep it even, especially when sharpening, but look at the difference of the new blade versus the old blade. And I swear this lawnmower was going to vibrate to pieces. So shaky and sound horrible. But check it out. So the new blade comes, and Generac is the owner of the company now, and this is awesome. Factory blades, what could be better? Brand new, and they were only $12.99 a piece, so I ordered two because shipping was like $12.99. So you got to give them that. Basically 3 blades, $36 plus taxes, probably $40. So now I'm gonna display how badly this mower sounds, and then we're going to swap the blades, and you can see, or we'll both see together, how good the new blade sounds. So here we go, quickly. Now, if you haven't watched any of my videos on the Newton, you'll know I direct wired my battery terminals that are in there directly to the battery, so I don't mess around. There's nothing between the motor and this except for 2 wires. So that's how crazy I am. Okay, that's awful. I swore I was not going to mow again until I fix that. So this nut is a nice 3/4 nut. Probably going to reuse this because I don't have one. Now the blade says on it, put it on this way. Put the upper side, do exactly what the blade says on the other side. It's stamped in there. It says this way faces the mower. All right. I want to be careful. Just want it to go on nice and easy, but they've got some anti-lock or something on there. Take it nice and slow. Oh no, that's stiff. We're gonna have to get a wrench on that. 2 wrenches. Because you don't want to cross-thread it, of course. It seems to be going on there just fine. So if you know anything about these mowers, you know that this model is obsolete. So if you need something like a blade, that's why I was shocked. Thankfully, it's because the blade fits a lot of their other models. But it's always cool to get something directly from the manufacturer. All right. Good to go. Let's give it a whirl. And this is my spare motor. I'm really due for a new motor. I gotta keep my eyes open. I'm just don't really want to spend any more money. But okay, here we go. Holy cow. That is like night and day. So, I don't know if you can hear the excitement in my voice, but very, very happy. Because I think that my old blade was going to ruin this motor. And it might have already put one foot in the grave with it. So I'm not a slave to my lawn. So what I do to make it fun, I just mow some trails. And I just let it grow. So I like to walk straight across the yard to the back. So there's a trail that's going there. It's already been mowed once, but you can't really see it. We've had a lot of good rain and sun and rain and sun. So I'm gonna get the trails all caught up, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. Most people have not. No one likes it.